Australia is known for a wide range of natural beauty that attracts travelers from around the world. Australia also home to some iconic animal species such as koalas, platypuses, wombats, emus, and the most iconic of all is the kangaroos. Here we are in the Australian outback, the natural habitat of kangaroos. These magnificent marsupials are known for their distinctive hopping gait, powerful hind legs, and muscular tails. Kangaroos are not only iconic Australian animals, but also a valuable source of lean and healthy meat. In Australia, the two main species of kangaroos that are used for meat production are the eastern grey kangaroo and the red kangaroo. These species are the most abundant and widely distributed kangaroos in Australia, making them suitable for sustainable and regulated harvesting. Here, in the vast Australian outback, where licensed kangaroo harvesters work diligently under strict regulations and guidelines. Licensed kangaroo harvesters play a crucial role in Australia's wildlife management. They help control kangaroo populations, reducing overgrazing and the potential for negative impacts on fragile ecosystems. By implementing sustainable practices, they also contribute to maintaining a healthy balance between kangaroo populations and their environment. Harvesters carefully select individual kangaroos based on specific criteria, such as sex, age, and population dynamics, to maintain the balance of the kangaroo population and the ecosystem. They always make sure not to harvest female kangaroos with youngs. As a licensed harvesters, they have a deep respect for kangaroos and their role in the ecosystem. Their primary focus is on sustainable practices, ensuring the long-term conservation of kangaroo populations, and strictly adhere to quota set by the government, which are based on rigorous scientific assessments and population surveys. After a kangaroo is harvested, it is usually field-dressed first. This involves removing the internal organs, such as the digestive system, liver, and other organs, to prepare the remaining of the kangaroo for transportation and further processing in the factory. It's important to note that licensed kangaroo harvesters are trained to perform this process efficiently, effectively, and with minimal waste. Kangaroos are native to Australia and have the ability to reproduce rapidly in favorable conditions. With the total population estimated around 40 million, the Australian government carefully manages kangaroo populations through a system of quotas and regulations to ensure sustainability and prevent overpopulation. After kangaroos are harvested, they are loaded onto specialized vehicles designed for transporting perishable goods, also known as cold chiller depots. These vehicles are equipped with refrigeration systems to maintain the desired temperature during transit. This is to maintain the kangaroos at low temperatures, ensuring proper preservation until further processing. The kangaroos are hung from hooks within the chiller depot. This allows for proper air circulation around the kangaroos, promoting even cooling and preventing moisture buildup. Once the kangaroos arrive at the processing factory, skilled workers will typically conduct inspections to ensure the quality and suitability of the meat for further processing. This includes verifying the authenticity of labeling, verifying that the kangaroos are from licensed sources, assessing meat pH, and other factors that indicate freshness, tenderness, and overall quality. After the inspection process, the kangaroo that pass the quality assessment are then sent for further processing. Hygiene and sanitation are paramount in this factory. Workers are required to follow strict personal hygiene practices. Inside the factory, meat inspectors will visually examine each kangaroo for any visible signs of damage, bruising, or contamination. They check for overall meat color, texture, and general appearance to assess the quality of the meat. Then, the deboning process begins. Skilled workers, often referred to as boners, use knives and cutting techniques to remove the bones from the meat. This step results in boneless kangaroo meat, which is easier to handle and process further. After that, the kangaroo meat is typically portioned into desired cuts or sizes. Skilled workers use cutting tools, such as knives or automated machinery, to divide the meat into steaks, fillets, roasts, or other desired portions. This step allows for consistent sizing and facilitates packaging. Once portioned, the kangaroo meat is typically packaged to preserve freshness, hygiene, and product quality. This may involve vacuum sealing the portions to remove air and extend the shelf life. Proper labeling is applied to the packaging, including product information, weight, and use-by dates. Finally, the kangaroo meats will be distributed to the wholesalers, retailers, and food service industry. Kangaroo meat is an absolute culinary delight. It's lean, incredibly tender, and boasts a rich, gamey flavor that sets it apart from traditional meats. It's like tasting a slice of the Australian wilderness. Kangaroo meat is incredibly lean and high in protein. It's also low in fat and cholesterol, making it a healthy alternative to traditional red meats. It offers a versatility that allows chefs to get creative in the kitchen. Kangaroo meat offers a unique and flavorful experience, adding a touch of excitement to your culinary repertoire.